Hey Peaches, what is up? Today I am filming for you guys something I'm really excited about. I know I look funny, I only have my eyebrows on, nothing else, but I wanted to at least start off there so you guys wouldn't have to watch me do the whole thing. And I'll zoom through foundation as well. But I just did an unboxing of my Honey palette from ColourPop, and I am so excited to try this. So I was saying in my unboxing video, I don't really play around with yellow enough to be like, oh, I know exactly what I'm doing. But while I was letting all of my technology like charge and get ready to film this video, I was thinking what I might do. I think what I'm gonna do is start with Totally Buggin' in like my crease area and then do maybe Buzzkill as like a halo a little. And then I'm debating either doing Queen Bee on top of that halo and Palooza in the middle, or only doing Queen Bee and Sweet Spot. I really don't know. I'm really excited to play with this, and I want to do so many looks that I'm sure I'm going to do more than just this video as far as the looks go. But today we're just going to play and see what we come up with. My eyes are already primed, and today I used my paint pot in Soft Ochre because that one for my skin tone has a little bit of like a yellowy tone, which I thought would be great. If you are wondering why my eyes look so crazy, I have a really light concealer carved underneath my brow bone and then in the inner corner because of my dark circles. So I'm gonna get you guys zoomed in so you can kind of see a little bit better what I'm doing, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, here we are. So I think, like I said to start, I'm gonna use Totally Buggin'. I love all these names, and I also got the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. I'm also like, my setup is not my favorite today. I got a new mirror that's huge, but I am so like blind that I cannot see from here to there. So I have to still use my other little mirror. Didn't really think this through. We're just gonna try to do this, see if I can see from this far away. That might be all right. My eyebrows lately, I've not been loving them, honestly. I had like a 5-minute spell where I was going to grow them out, which I do that every couple months. And then I remember, oh yeah, I don't have good eyebrows, and then I pluck them or wax them or cut them or whatever. And I don't know, I'm just like, I feel like I can't fill them in really the way that I want to. They don't look good, I don't know. So, a little insecure about my eyebrows today is the point. And I just have to say, in case anybody is wondering, I'm not going to leave this carved out that way. I do that so that when I put a highlight on there, it really, really helps it pop. So I know that you're probably looking at this and being like, oh girl. Well, I can't guarantee it'll get a lot better, but it'll get a little better. I also, because I don't play in yellow a whole lot, it's like weird to see my blue eyes with yellow. I think it's pretty though. So now, that was a little bit darker than honestly I was kind of expecting it, like color payoff wise, to be for some reason. So maybe next I will do, there's just so many good choices. I think probably I should start with Sweet Spot on my lid so that I'm not trying to like pack on that color after all of my other colors. Do you guys think that's a good idea? So I'm gonna go ahead and get Sweet Spot. Really excited about this yellow. I hope that it's as good as it looks like it's gonna be. Yes. Tiny yes. So I'm not going to blend this out or anything, it's just going to look crazy for a minute. But like I said, I think this is the best idea so that I'm not trying to put like a vibrant color over darker colors. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing basically, but I love that yellow! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Yes. This is the one I wanted. So I know I want to do a look too where it's like just yellow, no liner, blown out, and lashes. That's coming. If you guys want a video of me like attempting to do that also, let me know and I can film that for you guys too. Ooh girl, that is good. I love that. Okay, getting a little carried away. So then I was gonna put Palooza on top of that, but I really don't want to now. It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna go with Buzzkill. I should probably use a smaller brush, but we're gonna try to start with this one here. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. I feel like yellow on the lid and brown in the crease is like a really safe way to use yellow, like kind of a generic look to me. And I know that I'm doing it right now, but I just thought we would start here, and then, like I said, I can do a couple more videos that are experimenting a few other ways. Going with a little bit of a smaller brush to make sure I get right in this inner corner the way I want to. Does anybody else think doing the eye on your dominant side is like the most difficult thing? I don't know why, but over here I feel like my eyeshadow always looks good, like the whole time, pretty much for most of the process, and over here I'm always like, ugh. And I know it's because my placement must be different, but I really cannot figure out, even if I put a lot of effort into like trying to make my hands do the exact same thing, it still doesn't look as good. It's really frustrating. That yellow, it just makes me happy. Wowza. So at this point, do I want to go in? The thing is, Queen Bee kind of looks like it is more yellow than it is brown. Let's do a little swatchy. Yeah, it's definitely like golden, if you guys can see. I still kind of want to use it somewhere though. I might run that through my crease. I don't know if that's a bad idea or not, but let's just do it and see. Ugh, should we? I'm scared. Ugh, if it's bad, right? And it's just bad. Let me do like this. I won't be able to tell. I'm just gonna have to do it. I'm gonna start out here so that, ooh, yeah, I don't like that. But to make it match, I'll do a little over here, and then we'll try to cover it on up. Don't like that in the crease. So I've really been trying to be really intentional about what I do put in my crease for a lot of these things, because sometimes they look good being a shimmer, sometimes they don't, and so I'm trying to like not pick shimmers, I say, as I blend out a shimmer in my crease. It's not awful. It's definitely not what I wanted, but it's okay. So I'm thinking if I had like a darker brown than the Buzzkill, that would really be, I would really go in on my crease with that, like a lot. So maybe that's one thing that I would add to this palette if I could. I mean, I guess I could just let that be it. And then let me go ahead and figure out, in my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, the color White Chocolate is like my every single day highlight shade. It's not super light, and that's why I like it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this so that I can kind of blend on top of that if I need to. I'm going to go back in with Buzzkill just a little bit more, see if I can get some build up there now that I know that's my darkest color. I really just want to stick to using this palette. I would use a darker brown from a different one, but I just wanted to see what I could do with this particular palette. So let's really focus on building that up. I've already put that shimmer down, so now it's going to look a little different, but that's okay. That's my fault. I think what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and put some liner on. I'm just like looking at it, trying to decide what else it needs. It needs something. But I'm going to put some eyeliner on, and then I'm going to put on my lashes, my foundation and everything, and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line too. If I add anything else, I'll tell you guys once I'm finished, but I'm going to zoom out and let you guys just kind of watch me go through that part really quick. Okay, my camera decided to cut off on me, so I still have to put my lashes on. I'm just waiting for my mascara to dry a little bit, but I can already tell I'm like loving the yellow. Definitely this look wasn't exactly what I was going to go for, but I really, really, really like it, so I hope that you guys do too. I'm just gonna go ahead while that finishes drying and do my lower lash line. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do I actually might use Dandy. I haven't used that one yet, but it's nice and shimmery. Yeah, I like Dandy. So cute. I had no idea I would like yellow this much with my blue eyes, but I really do. I'm gonna go ahead then and put some mascara on my lower lash line. False lash times you guys are gonna have to watch from kind of far away because these are my magnetic ones. I have a tutorial, I'll link it here if you're interested. I have the curliest eyelashes and they're beyond annoying to me. I have this white eyeliner from LA Girl, and I kind of want to do like a little white on my eyebrow. I don't know if I should or not. I'll just leave it like this probably, but I'll take pictures of it the other way too. I'm going to put just a little bit of lip liner on, and I think I'm just going to use the LA Girl, this is in Sugar and Spice, for just a little natural lip. Okay, so I think that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. Like I said, I have 100 more looks I want to try with this palette, so if you guys have something specific you want me to try, if you'll just comment that down below so that I will know. I really appreciate you guys watching and hanging out with me today. I hope that your day's been great and the rest of your day is going to be great too. Please subscribe if you are not already. I'm trying to get to 3,000 so I can do a fun giveaway for you guys. That's like my next really big goal, so I would appreciate any help with that. I'm going to go ahead and get going. Buzz around since I'm looking like a little bumblebee. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.